Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will talk about a bold, luxurious, and powerful machine, the 2025 Genesis GV80 Coupe. Genesis is stepping into the performance SUV game with serious flair, and this one absolutely makes a statement. Just look at this beauty. The GV80 Coupe blends elegance with athletic aggression. With its fastback design, wide stance, and signature two-line LED lighting, this SUV is turning heads in 2025.
The GV80 Coupe takes inspiration from concept cars and brings it to life. From the massive crest grille to the sloping roofline and 22-inch wheels, every detail screams premium performance. And let's not forget the carbon fiber elements and quad exhausts, a clear hint that this SUV isn't just about looks. If you want an SUV that blends coupe styling with commanding presence, the GV80 Coupe delivers.
Step inside and it's luxury redefined. You're greeted by a 27-inch OLED panoramic screen, diamond-stitched leather seats, and a crystal shift knob. Genesis isn't holding back. Ambient lighting, Bang & Olufsen sound system, and smart AI-based features create a first-class experience. This cabin isn't just high-tech, it's high style.
Under the hood, the 2025 GV80 Coupe is expected to pack a 3.5L twin-turbo V6, producing 375 horsepower. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive for dynamic handling. Genesis may even offer a more powerful Sport Plus variant or a hybrid model later this year. Smooth, fast, and confident, this SUV isn't just for show, it moves.
The GV80 Coupe was arrived in late 2024, with pricing starting around $75,000 and going up with trim and options. Compared to rivals like the BMW X6 and Mercedes GLE Coupe, the Genesis offers standout value without compromising luxury.
The 2025 Genesis GV80 Coupe is more than just a new SUV. It's a bold statement from a brand that's climbing fast. Luxury, performance, and presence all in one package. What do you think? Is the GV80 Coupe your next dream SUV? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.